India's crude supply remains secure. Our daily consumption is about 55 lakh barrels. Through diversified procurement, the volumes we have secured through today exceed what would normally have arrived through the Strait of Hormuz during this period. भारत में आज हम लगभग 40 देशों से क्रूड आयात करते हैं. Further, the OMCs have secured various crude cargoes from different sources, and as a result of this diversification, about 70% of our crude import is now coming from routes outside the Strait of Hormuz, compared with about 55% earlier. आज जब मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ तब भी लगभग 2 कार्गोस भारत की तरफ चल पड़े हैं, and within few days they will arrive, which will further strengthen the crude supply position in the country. आज हमारी refineries are operating at the highest capacity utilization, और कुछ refineries are operating at more than 100% of their capacity. Now coming to natural gas side, our total consumption per day currently is about 189 million metric standard cubic meter per day. Out of this, around 97.5 MMSCMD is produced domestically, and the rest is imported. Out of the import, about 47.4 MMSCMD of supply is affected due to 4 major conditions. Procurement through alternate routes. It's about 189 million metric standard cubic meter per day. Around 97.5 MMSCMD is produced domestically. Out of the import, around 47.4 MMSCMD of supply has been affected due to 4 major conditions. Procurement through alternative routes and supplies is underway to offset this disruption, and our gas companies have procured LNG cargoes from their new sources, and 2 LNG cargoes are on their way to the country. As on today, we import about 60% of our requirement of LPG, and 90% of this is through Strait of Hormuz. The government has taken various steps to deal with this situation also. जैसे कि भारत सरकार ने has issued an order on 8th March, जिसके द्वारा उन्होंने refineries और petrochemical complexes को LPG उत्पादन को maximize करने का आदेश दिया. इन सभी प्रयासों की वजह से हमारा domestic LPG production has increased by 25%. And all these domestic LPG is being directed towards household consumers. So अगर आप सिलेंडर बुक कर रहे हैं तो 2.5 दिन के अंदर आपको सिलेंडर की आपूर्ति होगी. इसीलिए I request there is no need for customer to rush book the cylinder. So panic booking करने की कोई आवश्यकता प्रतीत नहीं होती है. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि ये एक वैश्विक चुनौतीपूर्ण स्थिति है, लेकिन भारत की ईंधन आपूर्ति नियंत्रण में है. सरकार स्थिति पर लगातार नज़र रख रही है और घरों और प्राथमिकता वाले क्षेत्रों की सुरक्षा के लिए आवश्यक कदम उठा रही है. हम नागरिकों से आग्रह करते हैं कि वे घबराकर बुकिंग करने से बचें, अधिकारियों के साथ सहयोग करें और वैश्विक अनिश्चितता की इस अवधि के दौरान जहां संभव हो ईंधन का संरक्षण करें.